We're from the big, big island, and we love our land. We're from the big, big island, listen to our reggae jam. There is a place that is heavenly, a place where life can be so free, where people work and live easily. That is a place for you and for me. Kailua Kona, where the air is clean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fishing's fine. Kailua Kona, it will blow your mind. Go up the mountains or down to the sea, enjoy the view or eat sweet OPE. Work and play till the sun goes down, cruise the beach road to Kona town. Kailua Kona, where the air is clean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fishing's fine. Kailua Kona, it will blow your mind. Play reggae music with the Hawaii band. Surf at Banyan's body, surf at White Sands. Go north and south as far as you can go. You go Mauna Kea to see the islands flow. Kailua Kona, where the air is clean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fishing's fine. Kailua Kona, it will blow your mind. Go down the beach to catch the morning sun. Go down the ghettos to play some one-on-one. The aunties and the uncles have a good time. Come go with me to see what we can find. Kailua Kona, where the air is clean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fishing's fine. Kailua Kona, it will blow your mind. Kailua Kona, where the air is clean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fishing's fine. Kailua Kona, it will blow your mind. Kailua Kona, where the sun is mean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fishing's fine. Kailua Kona, it will blow your mind.
Ika pua le hu ia manukau kini. Aloha ka leo o nā manula I ka hea mai nei I ala mako. Ni aloha ia no o ka hakuloa I ka ua kaulana ua ni na pali E ala hoi E mai ana E hoi mai ka koe pili Kakuloa ea O hua ka hakuloa I ka puale hoa Ka nino nā pua ia manukau kini Aloha ka leo o nā manula I ka hea mai nei I ala mako I aloha ia no O ka hakuloa I ka ua kaulana Ua ni I na pali E hea la hoi E I mai ana E hoi mai ka koe pili E hoi mai ka koe pili Kakuloa ea
Tank stay full, cooler stay packed, windows down, let's ride. Leaving Hilo in the morning rain, coffee hot and feeling no pain. Truck humming with an easy roll, trade winds lifting up my soul. Dogs in the back, they're ready to go, talking story as the miles unfold. Every curve feels just like home, no better place I've ever known. One road, two sides, one island, one life. Whoa, cruising Saddle Road today, watching all the clouds give way. Hilo rain to Kona skies, every mile feels alive. From the Mocha to the Makai, this old road has seen my life. No matter where tomorrow goes, Saddle Road will bring me home. Monarchy standing tall, watching over one and all, rolling past the open land, feeling free without a plan. Maybe fishing, maybe hunt, maybe just one holo run. Sometimes all we really need is family and a little peace. No hurry, take your time, best memories you never plan. One more laugh, one more ride, that's the big island way of life. Cruising Saddle Road today, thankful for another day. Windows down and spirits high, watching clouds roll through the sky. From the Mocha to the Makai, this feeling
Haina mai ka puana eia No ka ua kani le ua eia Le ana I ka leina ni eia Ka bua o ka le ua eia Haina mai ka puana eia No ka ua kani le ua eia No ka ua kani le ua eia
kahi Ka lehua nani o pana ewa E kau mai e ka la A me ke kili hune ua Kaulana o Hilo hana kahi Kua hivi nani o mauna kea Kua hivi kau e ka ohu Ohu ho o pua kea ili Vai anu enu e pipi o nei Kuhi o bea he kai malino Maku ola noho i ka lai I ka holo na pela o ka ni O ka nani ia, o ka nani ia E ku'u aina hanawe Haina mai ka puana Kaulana oi e hilo e Everybody hula Vai anu enu e pipi o nei Kuhi o bea he kai malino Moku ola noho i ka lai I ka holo na pela o ka ni O ka nani ia, o ka nani ia E ku'u aina hana e Haina mai ka puana la ea Kaulana oi e hilo e Kaulana oi e hilo e Kaulana oi e hilo
Oh, I went to an island not far from where I live, home to the volcano Kilauea. I came to this place I cannot forget. If you go there, I guarantee you will too. The love you feel is great, like in the old Hawaiian days. The roads are long, but the beauty there is worth it. Remember when you go, bring your ukuleles, you should know. Auntie G girls gonna want kanikapila, o Kalapana, pehea oe. I've been since the last time that I seen you show, o Kalapana. When will I ever see you again? I'll never know. Maybe tomorrow, I'll never know. All the cousins that I met, they make me feel at home. They say, hello my cuz, come inside, go grind. Lying under the mango tree. They say, oh, oh, you many. I like that feeling, it makes me feel so good. Oh, to be with them again. Oh, Kalapana, oh, 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 Kalapana, when will I ever see you again? I'll never know, maybe tomorrow, I'll never know. Oh, Kalapana, oh, Kalapana, when will I ever see you again? I'll never know, maybe tomorrow, I'll never know. I'll never know, maybe tomorrow, I'll never know.
Was gravel and cinder. If hungry, you could go to any house for dinner. Our homes all open there for people in need. To despise them, that show selfishness and greed. Coconuts were split in half for the pig. Eat the husk and wait for the break of twigs. They roam the place and move very slow. Who's gonna bother them? The squirrel will know. Kalapana is an area so quiet and serene, where families never used to hurt me. Togetherness was practiced both day and night. Kaimu to us is a beautiful sight. Town's about 13 miles away. Most families go there, especially on payday. Produce is measured by pounds and not by kilo. Just continue on and you'll end up in Hilo. Kalapana is an area so quiet and serene, where families never used to hurt me. Togetherness was practiced both day and night. Kaimu to us is a beautiful sight. Kalapana.
rose up from the ocean floor on fire. Built herself from nothing, burning high. Still pouring into the sea, still finding her way. The oldest of her sisters to this day. You can feel the kings beneath the broken stone, sacred ground that never let you feel alone. History don't sleep here, it just waits, standing at the edge of something ancient, something great. Big island soul, born from the fire, still burning slow. Older than the tide, deeper than the sea. This island's got a hold on me. Big island soul, where the cowboys ride and the volcanoes glow. She was here long before, and she'll be here when I'm gone. Big island soul, burning on, burning on. Black sand beaches where the lava kissed the shore. Green sand hidden where the trail lasts a little more. Crater light at midnight place. Don't just get in your head, it gets into your heart. The mountain doesn't ask you what you're running from. The fire doesn't care where you come from. But something in the silence finds the cracks and fills them up with something you can't take back. Big island soul, born from the fire, still burning slow. Older than the tide, deeper than the sea. This island's got a hold on me. Big island soul, where the cowboys ride and the volcanoes glow. She was here long before, and she'll be here when I'm gone. Big island soul, burning on, burning on. Ikua rode these hills before the world was watching. Kamehameha walked where the Hilo still stand. This island never needed anyone to crown her. She was always royalty, born of fire and land, still pouring into the sea. Still finding her way. Big island soul. Big island soul, born from the fire, still burning slow. Older than the tide, deeper than the sea. This island's got a hold on me. Big island soul, where the cowboys ride and the volcanoes glow. She was here long before, and she'll be here when I'm gone. Big island soul, burning on, burning on. Black sand beaches where the lava kissed the shore. Green sand hidden where the trail lasts a little more. Crater light at midnight, orange in the darkest place. Don't just get in your head, it gets into your heart. The mountain doesn't ask you what you're running from. The fire doesn't care where you come from. But something in the silence finds the cracks and fills them up with something you can't take back. Big island soul, born from the fire, still burning slow. Older than the tide, deeper than the sea. This island's got a hold on me. Big island soul, where the cowboys ride and the volcanoes glow. She was here long before, and she'll be here when I'm gone. Big island soul, burning on, burning on. Ikua rode these hills before the world was watching. Kamehameha walked where the Hilo still stand. This island never needed